So the next stock that you have brought us today that's on your watch list is one that I actually haven't heard of before. Aussie Broadband, ASX ticker ABB. Can
Yeah.
you tell us a little bit about the stock and why it's on your watch list?
So I don't know if you've seen the Aussie Broadband advertising that's been going on at the moment. It's the person holding the hose. One guy's got a really brown garden. He's got a small hose that just drips, and then the other person has got these really big hose, and it's got all this greenery around it. I think it depicts exactly what happens with the internet these days, and the internet is all about the pipe, and it's all about the data that's moving forward. So GDC won, but Aussie Broadband is one of those ones that is, again, we think one of the fastest growing small telcos inside of Australia. Now, they're organically growing their business, and you probably would have seen this is not the first advertisement campaign, but they're certainly doing that very well because they're talking about faster speeds in Australia. So we expect them to grow their market share. They obviously see multiple legs of growth across enterprise, residential, entertainment, and mobile as well. So they're doing that across all of those divisions. And they're certainly going to significantly benefit from the fibre or the operating leverage that we see going forward as well. But the thing that I think is going to happen with Aussie Broadband is that there's a long-term positive dynamic that's happening there. You go and look at something like a Telstra. Yes, Telstra's great. It's got very large data. It's got very large customers, but it can't grow. It struggles to grow because it has so much of its data and business already there. Aussie Broadband, these guys are really small, they're nimble, they can move going forward, and I think that is what is going to do well. I think there potentially will be some consolidation in the telco space. We've seen consolidation in the utilities, we're seeing consolidation in the Sydney airports of the world, those kinds of things. But I think the telco space is ripe for consolidation, and I think ABB potentially could be one of those ones that I think that they have some attractive assets and they're consolidating the market at the moment as well. So I really like ABB, Aussie Broadband. It's a buy from me.